Hello YouTubers, welcome to our channel Tech Geek, and today I'm going to show you how to create simple web services in Java. But before starting, I would like to suggest you to install Eclipse IDE that supports Java EE, that is Java Enterprise Edition extensions. Okay, let's start the Eclipse. As you can see, I'm using Tomcat 6.0 server and my Eclipse version is Eclipse Mars. So let's start. Go to File, New, Dynamic Web Project, give it a name, Calculator, add project to an EAR, that's it, finish. The next thing, you need to create a simple class. Finish. So this class will be acting as the web service. So whatever method we are going to define within this class will be a part of the web service method. So let's create a simple method. So as you can see, this method is taking two arguments a and b and returning the summation of those arguments a plus b. So that's it. This is a simple addition method. Now we want to make this method as a web service method, right? We want to create this class as a web service. So to do so, right click on the class that we just created, new, other, in the web service folder, select web service. This is a very interesting page. As you can see, we can not only create the web service as well as we can create the client also. So it is very important that if you want to test your web service whether it is working properly or not, you can easily create the client to test your web service. So in this case, we are going to create a client to test our web service. To do so, just simply slide this slider to the topmost position, that is test client. That's it. It will generate the web service as well as the client to test the web service. The next thing, you need to check this publish the web service, right? The next, as you can see, this is the method within our class. So this will go in the WSDL document as a web service method, this add method. The next, then just finish. So it will publish this web service now in the server. Okay, so this is the test page to test your web service, test client.jsp, right? So it is saying that select a method to test. So as in our example class, we have only one method, that is add method. We need to select this method, add, and let's test this using 3 and 47 and invoke our web service to check the results, right? Invoke. So as you can see, it's giving the proper result. So our web service is working properly. So this way you can create a simple web service. If you want to check your WSDL document, generated WSDL document, just go to the web content, WSDL document. So this is your WSDL document that is generated. As you can see, the port type name is calculator. There is an operation named add, and the service name is calculator service. So that's it. In our next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate the web service with Oracle Service Bus. So till then, happy learning.